born in the 60s or thereabouts, you've come to the right place to compare notes on, well, life. This is Area 61, and I'm Ellen, born in, 1961. I'll be making tutorials about relationships, work, worries, fears, feelings, fun, how to manage in a world that's quite weird. This is about us, about you, for you. Christmas, only a few days away in this tough, difficult old year. How to and what? I'm not sure. Getting out my traditional glittery, bling, Christmassy things doesn't help, it confuses me. With, of course, restrictions still firmly in place, no socializing outside the household, no traveling across borders, can't go visit family, can't invite them here. I mean, how to approach this? How to get maybe some fun out of it? And the traditional things, they don't speak to me like every year. Then there's the matter of presents, oh yes. With most shops closed, only supermarkets and a few non-essential shops open, like repair places. Oh, yeah, a frozen side of salmon could be a present. Or a change of car oil, yeah, sure. You know, nope, I decided against that. And I decided to give this Christmas a whole different spin. I like that for a plan. I shall suppose that I'll be on my own. And what shall I do? I know. I shall surround myself with everything, but everything favorite. Except, of course, my favorite people. Cannot be helped. Okay, what have we got? Let's see. Ah yeah, I know. Got a tablet. Ooh. Some binge watching may be in order. Favorite series. Oh yes, favorite films. Favorite documentaries. Can do. Will do. What else is there? Oh, I know. I know. Play some favorite music. Always works for me. Let's see. Oh, haven't played that one in a while. Oh, yeah, that's a cheerful one. Oh, that one. Yes, that one as well. Oh, good one. Yeah, play favorite music and dance around a bit. Got the house to myself anyway. Good plan. Now what else is there? But of course, favorite food. Let's see. Yep. Favorite biscuits. That's a good start. Ah yeah, favorite crackers and crisps. Good. Then, oh, the most favorite breakfast mix. Oh yes. And of course, it being Christmas, chocolate. It being Crisis-chistmas, a bit more chocolate, definitely. Good. Then there's, ah yeah, my favorite pickles, made by a friend. And by the same friend, My favorite pickled veg. This is beetroot, by the way. Oh, what's this? What have we here? Ah, glühwein. So there we are. Good. What else have we got? What else is there? A nice walk or run or hike in nature with my favorite, oh, hello, with my favorite dog, who seems to be enjoying herself in this weather. The first load of snow came down only a few days ago. Well, she's having fun with it. No, she did not clear the whole garden. No, would have spoiled her appetite for dinner. But you know, I had a bit of fun watching her having her bit of fun. And that counts. Yes, it does. Now, what can a person do in fresh snow? It's pretty, isn't it? Glittery, unspoiled, crunchy. Only a few steps in there. Mine. Crunch, crunch. Happy dog present. It is so beautiful. For about half an hour, or until the first traffic comes driving by, and then it will immediately turn into mush. Oh, hang on. If my mind focuses immediately on the mushy side of fresh snow, then I am less than cheerful. Oh dear, something uplifting is needed here. Let's see. What have we got? Now, I said I wouldn't take in a tree. I didn't say I wouldn't decorate. So there. I left out wishing so far. Yes, this Christmas I wish more us, more we, more togetherness. Oh yes, definitely. More togetherness. Let's see. More, oh yeah, more being in touch, staying in touch. Yes, please. Oh, and definitely more sharing. Yes, please. More sharing. So, there you are. There you have it. An image of Christmas 2020. Awkward, isn't it? Not what I had wished for at all, but there you go. Let's make of it what we can. Let's share what we can and work towards better times. Yes. Yes, please. And you know, another thought. We had to do so many things this year in such a small way. Downsize, improvise, or go without altogether. Adapt and continue. And I thought, a representation of Christmas, minimalistic. Yeah, can do. So here you are, downsized, minimalistic, and if not merry, then at least berry. And please, next year, a full-sized one in my room with people around it. I've one more wish. With December ending, please, may all our lives turn back to the light. Oh, please. And before I go, I've one more question. Did this appeal to you? Now this time, I'm not showing you images of YouTube buttons, but please use the like, the comment section, the subscribe, the share. And YouTube requires you to make an account. It's not a problem, because in there you can make a list of all your favorite channels, not just mine. I will leave you now with this. Here we go. And please, see you next time.